In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find penny stocks on Interactive Brokers. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside the client portal, how to set the right filters, and how to run a scanner that brings up stocks under $5 with the liquidity and size you're looking for. First, log in to the Interactive Brokers client portal in your web browser. From the top menu, look for Research. Click that, then choose Scanners. This takes you to the area where you can build custom stock screens. Now, open Market Scanner. Think of the Market Scanner as your control center. It lets you filter the entire market down to just the symbols that match your criteria. Next, set up the scanner specifically for penny stocks. In the product field, choose stocks so you're only pulling equities. Then pick your exchange. You can focus on major venues like NASDAQ or NYSE if you prefer listed names, or include OTC if you're comfortable with over-the-counter securities. OTC names can be more thinly traded and volatile, so choose exchanges that match your risk tolerance and trading plan. Now, dial in the filters. For price, set a maximum of $5. That aligns with the common definition of a penny stock. A stock trading below $5 per share. For market cap, select small cap or micro cap. These categories typically capture the smaller companies most associated with penny stock pricing. Finally, set a minimum volume. This ensures you're not pulling in illiquid tickers with wide spreads. The right threshold depends on your approach. Higher minimum volume helps you focus on names with more consistent trading activity and potentially better fills. Before you run the scan, take a moment to double-check your settings. Product should be stocks. Your chosen exchanges should be selected. Price should cap at $5. Market cap set to small or micro, and a reasonable minimum volume in place. This combination narrows the universe to lower-priced, smaller companies that are actually trading. When you're ready, click Run Scanner. The results table will populate with the symbols that meet your criteria. You'll typically see tickers, last price, volume, and other basic data. This list represents your filtered universe of penny stocks. From here, you can review the names, note which exchanges they trade on, and consider which ones meet your liquidity and risk needs. Remember, penny stocks can move quickly and may have wider spreads. Using the volume and market cap filters helps you focus your search, while the exchange choice lets you balance opportunity with execution quality. That's all there is to it. Log in, open Market Scanner, apply the penny stock filters, and run your scan.